Hello everyone. For my NSA project, I've decided to create a virtual web hosting. So what I will be doing in this project, I will be creating two websites using HTML, only HTML form, and then I will be trying to host the two websites that I created. So based on the name based, domain name based, and also IP based. So the domain name based, what I will be doing, they're gonna share one IP address. So the second, for the IP based, they're gonna have different IP address. So I'm gonna try them on my browser to show you that they are hosted and they're working. So now let's dive into the project development. So first of all, what I will be doing, let me just check my IP address. So let me just go to the route first so that I will not have any problem later. Anything. Yeah, I did some error. My password. Yeah, so now I'm into the root. So I'm gonna go ahead and first of all try to install the Yum install. So it will update it if it's installed already. So let's see the HTTPD. This is for the this is for the web HTTP services. Yeah, so it's installed. So I'm gonna click yes to install it. So it's downloading the package and it's gonna install it. Yeah, so as you can see, it says complete. So now what I will be doing, I'm gonna go ahead first of all create a folder where I will be saving my index.html. Now before that, let me just see my IP config. I'm gonna have to note that down somewhere because I will need that, my IP address. So my IP address here is, yeah, so now that I found that I know my IP address, so I'm just gonna go, this is the IP address, so I'm just gonna go ahead and now continue to create the two directories, since I'm gonna be creating two websites. So the first one will be this. I'm gonna call this website 1. So website 1, everything is correct. ICs cannot create directory bar 5. Why no such directory? So I just traced back the error. Why I got this error is because I made space before. As you can see somewhere around, I made space here. That's why it says file exists. So this one. So yeah, now it's created. So I'm gonna create the second one as well. Okay, there. Var. Sorry, I always make that mistake. So HTML website 2. So yeah, this is the second file, and now I can either just create my HTML file or just go edit the HTTPD directory file. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and edit this, create my index HTML. So that's what I wanted to say. So now I'm gonna create the index HTML. To do that, I'm gonna go into the directory www HTML /website 1. So yeah, I'm gonna click on this one. So as you can see, I'm already into this one. So now I'm going to use the VMI to edit index.html. Yeah, so as you can see, I created a new file called HTML file. So I'm going to just do HTML file here. Yes, all and then yeah. So now I'm just gonna press the I to insert. So here it will allow me to insert text. So I'm gonna say HTML. This is, you already know what is this. So this is just HTML syntax. So I'm gonna say head. I'm gonna place the head here. Next I'm gonna say title. Sorry. Title. Title. I'm gonna place this tag and say. So actually I'm gonna be pausing the video since I don't have a lot of length. So just yeah, I just finished doing the tags. So I'm just gonna save this file, and then as I said, I will be just doing simple HTML web page. So I'm just gonna save this by just the W key is the command to save this. So into, yeah, as you can see, so it's being created. So I'm gonna go ahead also create for the second website. So this, as you know, this was the first website. CD, I'm gonna say var www html website 2. So I'm gonna just index.html. Yeah, so this is the second file also. I'm gonna say HTML. Tag. Tag. Title. I'm gonna say website. Website 2. This is gonna be the website 2. Sorry about that. Oh, what am I doing? Okay. No, sorry. This title. Now I'm gonna open the body tag. Body. Close the body tag here. Sorry about this. It's really hard to edit from here because you insert like you don't know where the cursor is. So yeah, now I'm kind of like done here. So I'm just gonna do the same thing that I did. I'm gonna just say h1, close h1. I'm gonna say this is the website 2. Let me just pause the video, okay? I'll be right. So as you can see, I just finished creating the file for the website 2. So now you can see you have website 1 and website 2. So now what I will be doing, I'm just gonna go ahead and edit the configuration, the HTTP configuration file. To do that, oh sorry. To do that, I'll just go vim and then I'm gonna say HTC and then sorry, and then HTC, the HTTPC httpd and then conf httpd, the short form of config dot conf. So yep, as you can see, it is here now. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna go to the last file here. I'm gonna edit the file. Yes, I'm just gonna go down. Yes, as you can see, I can just edit this file. Yeah, so this is the directory of the file. Let's go to the last file. So this is the last file. So here I'm gonna press I to insert. So now from here I can insert this. So I'm gonna start with the tag virtual host. So, yeah. Okay. So before that, I'm gonna have to pass this address, this IP address. So let me take the IP address. I have it somewhere here. Okay. This IP. Okay. I'm just gonna put it here. It's called. I'm just gonna say 10. Oh, sorry. No. Don't replace anything. It's just this. Okay. Oh my goodness. What did I just do? Okay, let me just. Okay, yeah. Now I'm back to this. So I'm just gonna into this 10.0.2.15. So this is my IP address running on this machine. Then I'm gonna run it on port 80. So now I'm gonna have here server name. So which will be given like what? So I'm just gonna say this server, I'm just gonna name it www.mywebsite1.com. Yes, and then I'm gonna have the document route so that you will know this is the path for this one. So slash var, then we're gonna have www. I'm gonna pass here the HTML and then website 1. Yeah, So this is the first one. So after I'm done, I'm gonna close the virtual tag. Virtual host. So yeah, it's closed here, and now that I can save it, but first I'm gonna create the other one. As I said, it's domain name. So instead I'm just gonna be going on and say virtual host for a second website. So I'm just gonna use the same IP address. So I'm gonna put here 80. So as I said, I'll be using the same IP address. That's why I said name based. So here is based on name. So if it's if the website is hosted based on name, you can share the same IP address. Oh, sorry, let me just pause. So as you can see here, I just finished typing. I created 2 virtual hosts. The first one is this, and then the second one is this. So I'm going to be using name based here to differentiate the two to show you. So since I'm done, I'm going to save this and run the web browser. So here we go. So I'm just going to save this. And, sorry, delete you. So it's been saved. Now we're going to start the HTTP services. So I'm just gonna do this to the firewall first. Firewall cmd